Hi everyone, it's NatalieGisselle. I am back with another YouTube video. Okay. Hey guys, it's NatalieGisselle and I am back with another YouTube video. For this one, we are doing DIY how to cook deep fried Oreos. First step, take the pan out. Put a good amount of oil, enough where the Oreos would be kind of covered if you put them in there. Enough to cover the oils, like if you were cooking french fries, I guess. Okay, and then let that warm up. Second step, get the pancake batter ready. Third step, take some Oreos out. Fourth step, get an Oreo, dump it into the batter, into the pancake mix, cover it all up, and then put it into your pan. Just wait for it to turn like a golden brown, or as cooked as you want it. You can see it changing colors. Just flip it, let that change colors and cook, and then just take it out, let it dry on a napkin so all the oil goes into the napkin. And then you're ready to eat a yummy, delicious treat. Honestly, it's really good if you just like want like a sugary snack. I don't recommend eating a lot. I recommend if you want like pancakes or Oreos or like a funnel cake, because all three of those, it's basically what it tastes like. It tastes really good. I like it. Me and my brother cooked it a couple times before, and I thought, why not just make it, because I was craving some, so why not just record the video, because I was gonna make them anyway. So that's what I did. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a while, but here is my DIY how to cook, how to make a delicious snack. And I will see you guys in my next one.